Answer to question 9. So we are given the question. We have 1 over v minus 1 over u equal to m minus 1 over r. So we need to determine among A, B, C which one is true or which one are true. So let us consider A first. The equation is defined provided v is not equal to 0, u is not equal to 0, and r is not equal to 0 as well. So let us prove it. So when you prove this is the v not equal to 0, u not equal to 0, and the r not equal to a 0. So when we say 1 over 0 here, it makes this one to be undefined. And when you put 1 over 0 here, it makes it undefined. The same thing applicable here. This one will make it undefined when we put r equal to 0. So which means denominator must not be 0. So that is where we can make our equation to be defined. To make our equation to be defined, denominator must not be 0. So which means we can conclude that this one is correct statement. Now let us go to B and consider B as well. So B is given as a v equal to r over m minus 1 plus u. So we need to go back to our original equation, which is what? 1 over v minus 1 over u equal to m minus 1 over r. So this one is telling us that we need to make v to the subject of the formula. So make v to the subject of formula. That is what we are going to do now. So let us try it. So which means we are going to move this one to the other side. So we are going to have 1 over v equal to m minus 1 over r plus 1 over u. So let us evaluate it. So let us write this one again so that we can be able to follow the steps. So we have 1 over v equal to m minus 1 over r plus 1 over u. So therefore from here, the common denominator is ur. So we are going to have u into m minus 1 plus r. Don't forget this is 1 over v. So remember, we are trying to make v to the subject of formula. We take the reciprocal of this one. Automatically, we are going to take reciprocal of this one as well. So it's going to be v equal to ur over u into m minus 1 plus r. That is the v now. So let us now compare it with our given answer. Our given answer is, from the question, we have v to be equal to u into m minus 1 plus r over m minus 1. Because when we evaluate this one, remember that from the question. So let us go back to the question. We evaluate this one to get what I wrote here, but let me just write it down the way it was given. Remember that our v is also the same thing as r over m minus 1 plus u. So when you evaluate this one, now we can see this one is not equal to this. So therefore we can conclude that UR over U into M minus 1 plus R is not equal to what we have here, which is R over M minus 1 plus U. So they are not equal. So automatically the B statement is incorrect. This is incorrect statement. Now, so let us now go for C, whether the C is correct or not. So that is what we are going to ascertain now. So let us go for C. Our C is given as if U is less than phi, then m minus 1 over r must greater than 0. So we cannot take u to be equal to 0, and then we cannot take v to be equal to 0 because of the condition we are having in option A. So therefore, let us take the lowest number, which is let u equal to 1. Definitely v will be equal to 2. So that is 1 less than 2. So which is the u less than v. Now, so let us now solve the equation. Remember, we have the equation from the equation, so which is 1 over v minus 1 over u, which must be equal to m minus 1 over r. So let us try it now. Our v is 2. We are going to have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 1. We don't know what is going to be equal to. Let us evaluate it. So this is the same thing as half minus 1. So which means it's going to be minus half. So therefore our m minus 1 over r is equal to minus half. So let us now go back to the equation. We need to go back to the equation. So the condition is minus half greater than 0. That's the condition. But when we check this one very well, this statement is not correct. So minus half is not greater than 0. So therefore, minus half is less than 0. Even we can also try another number. So let us try another number. Let u equal to 2 and v equal to 3. So let us do it. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, which is going to give us, this is 6, we're going to have 2 minus 3 here. So automatically it's going to be minus 1 over 6. Let us try it if it's good. No, this one is not greater than 0. So rather than minus 1 over 6 is less than 0. So you can see this one doesn't satisfy the condition given from the question. So let us go back to the question. This is also incorrect statement. So automatically we only have A as a correct statement. So the answer will be only A. That is the answer for question 9.